10 years, 40 sets of hands. We stood together across these lands. In sterile light, we traced the line, guiding the pupil, making it shine. Long years, short months, the Technis lens, healing vision with global friends. Teaching is joy, a legacy grown in the seeds of knowledge that we've sown. Guru ki kripa nayan ka prakash, vidye korudu ananda namage ulla vishwas. Through every language the healing is won. Our work is finished, the victory won. Shikson molir pespari, forward together our path is Nari. From the streets of Colombia to the Belgian shore, we shared the wisdom, then we shared some more. In Indonesia, the smiles were wide, celebrating holy with a turning tide. Surgical scrubs and colors of joy, the bond of the fellows. 10 years of photos, a timeline of grace, finding our family in this sacred place. Kalbiyen imbambahi ay paru, Vidyaner pina ananda me makudo. La enseñanza es alegría pura. Leren is envremta desde seca de la jala que gambira. Talim churahat har dil ka naam. From every corner we carry the flame. ASG spirit and every fellow's name. Every fellow's name. The screen is bright, the scans are clear. We've conquered the doubts, we've mastered the fear. 40 fellows strong, a brotherhood made. In the white-walled hallways, our future is laid. Teaching is joy, it's the core of the heart. One vision, one joy, 10 years, 10 years.